Anybody got a prescription, yeah, for this love pain? Anybody got a pill like a pop for this love pain? Anybody got a...
Hello everyone, it's Keisha from Drink Coffee Make Stuff. Welcome to my channel. Today I am planning in my mini happy planner for the first week in March, and I decided to stick with a colorful theme throughout this week. So I have pulled the Live Creatively sticker book. I think this was a sticker book that was designed specifically for Stephanie Fleming before she left the company, and it was to be used in conjunction with her book, Plan a Happy Life. I believe that's how the marketing went on that. But I am going to be planning for the week of February 28th through March 6th. So I'm going to go ahead and speed the video up, and when I finish, I'll be back. All right, everyone, that is it. I'm going to stop because I could keep adding and adding and adding, but I think that turned out really cute and colorful. So I'm going to go ahead and put these on the disc and see what it looks like. That's the only thing, and guys, if you hear that, that's my son playing his video game in the background. But anyway, the only thing, what I was saying, the only thing I dislike about planning in this particular planner sometimes are the colored disc. So I think as I go forward and picking out my planners, I'm going to look for something that's more neutral, or maybe just change it out altogether, because it doesn't always go. Sometimes it's clashing. For example, here, you know, it doesn't really go, but I think it looks pretty good. So if you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. And if you want to see more videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And until next time, happy planning.